Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Laifen Wave Toothbrush, a device that promises a revolutionary approach to oral hygiene. I've been testing this out for a while now, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. The Laifen Wave combines oscillating and sonic technology to offer what they claim is a superior clean. It boasts some impressive features like a 30-day battery life, customizable brushing settings via its companion app, and a sleek design available in different materials: ABS plastic, aluminum alloy, and stainless steel. Let's start with the design. The Laifen Wave certainly stands out with its modern aesthetic. I tested the stainless steel model, and it's undeniably eye-catching. However, the smooth finish can be a bit slippery when wet, which could be a concern in the bathroom. In terms of performance, the Laifen Wave excels in deep cleaning. It offers 60-degree oscillation with 66,000 vibrations per minute, mimicking the motion of a regular toothbrush for a thorough clean. I found that my teeth felt noticeably cleaner after using it, which is a definite plus. One unique aspect is its customization options. You can adjust oscillation range, vibration strength, and even activate high-frequency modes via the companion app. While this adds flexibility, it's worth noting that many features require the app, which might not be everyone's preference. Using the Laifen Wave is straightforward, with a touch-sensitive power button and indicator lights to show selected modes. It also includes a useful 30-second reminder and a 2-minute timer for thorough brushing sessions. However, it lacks a pressure sensor, which could be a drawback for those concerned about brushing too hard. Now, let's talk about some issues I encountered. One major drawback is its tendency to create a mess, especially with its oscillating head. I often found toothpaste splattered around the sink area after use, which can be quite inconvenient. Another concern is the build quality of the toothbrush heads. While they perform well, attaching and removing them can be tricky. And there's a tendency for condensation to build up inside, which isn't ideal for hygiene. Should you consider buying the Laifen Wave? If you're looking for a toothbrush that delivers a deep, customizable clean and don't mind using a companion app, this could be a great choice. It's also priced competitively compared to other smart toothbrushes on the market. On the flip side, if you have sensitive teeth or prefer a toothbrush with built-in pressure sensors, you might want to look elsewhere. The Laifen Wave's powerful cleaning action may not be suitable for everyone's dental needs. In conclusion, the Laifen Wave Toothbrush offers impressive technology and customization options at an affordable price point. However, it's not without its quirks and minor drawbacks. If you prioritize deep cleaning and don't mind a bit of app dependency, it could be a solid addition to your oral care routine. That wraps up our review of the Laifen Wave Toothbrush. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.